Dear students, welcome to chemistry class. Students, today we discuss hydroxy compounds and ethers. Topic: classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohol, hydroxy compounds and ethers. So now discuss what is an alcohol, how to prepare, and introduction for alcohols. Okay, so alcohol, an organic compound containing hydroxyl functional group, are called alcohols. The hydrolysis of alkyl halide gives alcohol. So already learnt in the 11th standard classes. So hydrolysis of an alkyl halide gives alcohol. So an organic compound containing hydroxyl functional group are called alcohols. So many organic compounds containing hydroxyl functional group play an important role in our body. For example, cholesterol alcohol. So cholesterol alcohol is commonly known as cholesterol. So cholesterol is an important component in our cell membrane. Then another one example, retinol. Retinol is the storage form of vitamin A. So vitamin A finds application in proper functioning of our eyes. So proper functioning of eyes, vitamin A is required. So vitamin A is retinol. So retinol is the storage form of vitamin A used for proper functioning of our eyes. So finds applications of alcohol in our bodies. Then alcohol also find applications in many areas like medicine, industries, etc. Medicine and industries, etc. So for examples, first one, methanol. CH3OH is methanol. Methanol used as an industrial solvent. Methanol used as an industrial solvent. And then second one, ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol and additive to petrol. Then third one example, isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol as a skin cleanser for injections. So finds applications in many areas. Then the hydroxyl group of alcohol. The hydroxyl group of alcohol can be converted into many other functional groups. So alcohol functional group can be converted into ether functional group, aldehyde functional group. So converted into many other functional groups. Then alcohol are important resource in synthetic organic chemistry. So many synthetic product are prepared by using alcohols in synthetic organic chemistry. Then in this unit we will discuss preparation, properties and uses of alcohols, phenols and ethers. So alcohol are aliphatic compounds, phenols are aromatic compounds, ether also aliphatic compounds. Then classifications of alcohol. So generally alcohol are classified based on the two categories. First one, the number of hydroxyl group is attached. Number of hydroxyl group is attached. Then second one, the nature of the carbon to which functional group is attached. So two classifications. First one classification, number of OH group is attached to the compound. Then second one, the nature of carbon to which the functional group is attached. So two classifications. So now see the classification of alcohols. So alcohol classifications generally classified into two category. First one category, monohydric alcohol. Then second one category, polyhydric alcohol. First one category, monohydric alcohol. So compounds, organic compounds containing only one hydroxyl group, hydroxyl functional group, are called monohydric alcohol. For example, methanol, CH3OH. Then second one example, ethanol, CH3C2OH or C2H5OH, ethanol. Propanol are example for monohydric alcohols. Then second classifications, an organic compounds containing More than one OH hydroxyl group, more than one hydroxyl functional group are called polyhydric alcohols. So polyhydric alcohol means compounds, organic compounds containing more than one hydroxyl group are called polyhydric alcohols. Example for polyhydric alcohols. So first one, dihydric alcohol or glycol. So dihydric alcohol and glycol is the common name. IUPAC name ethane 1,2 diol. So 1 OH group present all, 2 OH group present diol, 3 OH group present triol. So in this compound glycol 2 OH group present, so ethane 1,2 diol. Then next one example, trihydric alcohols. So common name for this compound glycerol. IUPAC name for this compounds propane 1,2,3 triol. So 3 hydroxyl group present in glycerol. So IUPAC name propane 1,2,3 triol. Then next one example, hexahydric alcohol. In this compound 6 hydroxyl group is present. Common name for this compound sorbitol. IUPAC name for this compound sorbitol. IUPAC name of sorbitol hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexol. Then monohydric alcohol. Further, monohydric alcohol classified into two classes. First one class, so OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. So the hydroxyl functional group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. This one classification. Then another one classification, hydroxyl group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon. So sp2 hybridized carbon. So example for hydroxyl group attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Example, vinyl alcohol. So ethanol. Ethanol is IUPAC name. So structural formula for this vinyl alcohol CH2 double bond CHOH is example for hydroxyl group attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Then the hydroxyl group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon further classified into three classes. So OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon classified into three class, further classified. Then hydroxyl group attached to an alkyl group. Hydroxyl group attached to an alkyl group. Then second one example, classification, hydroxyl group attached to allyl group. Hydroxyl group attached to an allyl group. Then third one classification, hydroxyl group attached to aryl group or benzyl group. OH group attached to a benzyl group. Then example for this three classification. First one, ethanol. Ethanol is example for alkyl group. Hydroxyl group attached to alkyl group. First one, ethanol CH3C2OH is example for hydroxyl group attached to alkyl group, ethanol. Then second one example, propane 1,2 diol. Propane 2 all. Propane 2 all. So propanol. Propane 2 all. Then next third one example, 2-methyl propane 2 all. 2-methyl propane 2 all. So ethanol is example for primary alcohol. So in primary alcohol, OH group is attached to CH2 carbon. CH2 carbon, that means a sp3 hybridized carbon CH2 OH. So OH group is directly attached to carbon. Then next one, only one bulky group present. Then next one, secondary alcohol. So propane 2 all is example for secondary alcohol. In secondary alcohol, two bulky group are present. For example, this one methyl group, this one methyl group. So propane 2 all is example for secondary alcohol. So hydroxyl group is attached to CH carbon. Hydroxyl group attached to CH carbon. Next one, tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol example, 2-methyl propane 2 all. So isobutyl alcohol, common name isobutyl alcohol. So in tertiary alcohol, 3 bulky group are present, 3 methyl group are present. Then OH group, hydroxyl group is attached to C, carbon only. So OH group attached carbon contain 3 bulky group, no any hydrogen. But in secondary alcohol, 1 hydrogen is attached. Primary alcohol, 2 hydrogen is attached. Okay. Then next one, second one classification, hydroxyl group attached to an allyl group. So allyl means compounds, presence of double bond in the organic compound. So first one example, prop 2 in 1 all. Prop 2 in 1 all is example for allyl group. Hydroxyl group attached to an allyl group, and this propane 2 in prop 2 in 1 all is example for primary alcohol. So hydroxyl group is attached to carbon, contains 2 hydrogen, 1 bulky group, only 1 bulky group, 2 hydrogens. Then next one, another example, but 3 in 2 all. Another example, but 3 in 1 all is example for OH group attached to an allyl group, but 3 in 2 all. Then third one example, 2 methyl but 3 in 2 all. This is the third one example, 2 methyl but 3 in 2 all. Okay students, then next example for third one classification, hydroxyl group or OH group attached to a benzyl group. So benzyl aryl group. First one is example, penyl methanol. So in methanol CH3OH, one hydrogen is removed by adding penyl group, we get a penyl methanol, C6H5 CH2OH. So penyl methanol is example for third one classification. Then another one example, 1 penyl ethanol, C6H5 CHOH CH3. So 1 penyl ethanol. So functional group attached carbon numbering 1, 2. So penyl group attached to first carbon. So 1 penyl ethanol. Then third one example, 2 penyl propane 2 all. 2 penyl propane 2 all. So propane 3 carbon system, carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. So prop, root word prop, OH group attached to second carbon, then substituent attached to second carbon. Substituent is penyl group. So 2 penyl propane 2 all is example for this category, hydroxyl group attached to benzyl group. Okay students, thank you. See you next class.